Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Alright y'all, so I got some news to share with y'all. I'm out here in the garden. Everything is doing so well. We got rain this morning, just a little bit. Supposed to get some more or whatnot, but I just came out here just to look at everything. I know I need to water the stuff that's in the greenhouses. I'll get to that. Look like my peach tree is a little droopy, so I'll get to that stuff, y'all. But I want to go over here and make sure that my squash and stuff is doing good. I had some yellowing that was going on, so I went on and fertilized the other day with my Miracle Grow, and everything is looking so much better now. So y'all know that's what I do. When I see yellowing on something, I go ahead and pull out my Miracle Grow. Okay, that's just me. That is just me. So many tomatoes. I see a lot that is coming up, so I'm happy about that. Let me just go ahead and tell y'all, I did not do a garden tour this past Sunday, part of the weekly garden tour, because I was just too busy. I was gonna do it today. I don't know if I get inside. I may just skip this week as a weekly garden tour and start back up fresh on Sunday if it's God's will. I'm not sure because I got more stuff that I need to plant for sure. But yeah, so y'all, let's talk about something right now. When we are gardening, we're growing food, I feel like it's very important for you to get all you can get out of it. I mean, when I come out here, it's peaceful, and that's what your garden's supposed to be. See, it's more than just growing food and saying I'm gonna eat healthy. You got to get your mind, your spirit, your body, everything in the same lineup, okay? In the same lineup. And I feel like we all should be trying to get better with God, get better spiritually. You know, this world is crazy. So most of y'all have been with me for a minute. You know, I was trying to, I got a vision and a plan for this garden. Let's walk down here and see what the greenhouses look like. I have a plan on the vision. I saw what some of y'all was like, you got a farm, and I had played with my titling, and I had it at farm one time, but I do so much on this channel, so I took it back to Mississippi Girl Life. It was backyard farm, but I have finally decided on a name for this channel. I mean, not channel, for this garden, okay? Since it's my peace, it's a place that'll humble you. If you're trying to work on being humbled, it's nature. It's close to God. it's close to God. When he's talking about nature, you gotta understand. I was taught how to garden and all that by my granny. I was taught how to do it, but one thing still remains the same with any of us. You can know how to grow food. You can put that seed in that dirt, do it whichever way you want to do it. But it's God that makes it grow. You know? It's God that makes it grow. And then to be able to have abundance of food, no matter if it's big or small, to be able to have what they charging you in the store so much money for, to be able to grow it and eat something that we all have to do, that's amazing. So I came up with, well, I got the name of my garden. My garden name is Amazing Grace. So when you hear me come out and I say I'm about to go out here to Amazing Grace, those of you that really watch me, you're gonna know I'm talking about my garden. My business, my produce business, is gonna be Amazing Grace and something else. I'm not gonna give everything, okay? But that's going to be, and I can't do that because, you know, y'all know why. But yeah, Amazing Grace is my garden name, okay? Amazing Grace. So my Amazing Grace garden. I love it, I love it, I love it. So now she has a name. She has a name, y'all. This whole backyard garden now has a name, and it's Amazing Grace. You know, I come out here, get food for, you know, my household, and able to grow and everything. And if you don't have a big space like this, if you don't, and you have something small, it is still a blessing. If you're growing on your balcony because you stay in an apartment, if you're growing inside your home because you don't have a yard, it's still a blessing to be able to do. Okay, so there y'all have it. I can't wait to prepare some Amazing Grace's food from out here. I love it. It's just a different feel, especially when you pray to God and you put yourself in a different headspace and you try to do right, because we're all imperfect human beings. You try to do right, and you know, it's an amazing feeling. Y'all, look at this right here. My peaches. My peaches. I got some more. Some of course fell off, like the little small ones. They'll do that, but yeah, this is just so beautiful. I come out here and it's me. It's Mississippi girl. It's me. I love growing food, and it's something that we need to do because we all gotta eat. You know, stuff is so expensive. So expensive. I love my tree collards, which I gotta go ahead and harvest some. But look at that. That is just so pretty. I love the purple and the green. My beans that I started a couple weeks ago. Y'all was in that live stream with me. Look at that. It's just, yeah, Amazing Grace is doing her thing, y'all. Amazing Grace is out here doing her thing, and I got so much I need to plant, so much I need to do, and I plan on getting a lot of it done starting tomorrow, and I'll bring y'all along. So if you want to be part of Amazing Grace garden and just relax moments, some good food, good healthy food, because I'm retraining my gut. I've been having some issues with my gut, with my GERD. It's my GERD, and you know, life without a gallbladder now. I'm not even a year in. I'm almost a year though. I'm almost a year. Aircraft. I'm almost a year in. Not a year yet since the gallbladder surgery, and y'all know I'm working on, just found out my iron, probably been low for years and years, but me and my daughter is iron deficiency anemia, or however you say it with the terms. But so eating is very, very important in the way we eat. Okay, I have been eating reckless, and I have told y'all that, and I am changing things. I'm changing things back to the way they were, you know, when I was clean eating. And Amazing Grace is going to help me do that. Amazing Grace is going to help me do that and stock up food for the winter months and all that. All that is God's will. So I wanted to do this video just to give y'all that information about what the garden is, and hopefully to motivate somebody to grow. Be humble. Humble yourself. Woosah. Relax yourself. Stop worrying about the weight of the world. Stop worrying about I gotta have this and I gotta have that because they say I need to wear this and I need to wear that and I'm not in this status because I can't go afford and buy this. You're paying for name brands, putting money in other people's pockets. That's not the way God meant for this to be. He gave us everything that we need to survive. We just have to go get it and put in a little work to do it. Faith without work is dead. Y'all have heard me say that for years. And I still say it because that's something I heard growing up a lot. So, get ready for a lot to go on. We're going to be in Amazing Grace doing a lot of stuff in Amazing Grace. And quick stuff that'll make it easier on your life and all that. Shopping hauls. Look, I'm getting better at my shopping hauls, y'all. I'm not finna go and give these people all my money. They're selling me food, things I need, when the earth is out here to give you a lot of what you need. May not be everything, but a lot, you know. So I hope this hit home, it motivated, and it inspired somebody. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. I love y'all. I will see y'all in the next Men Amazing Grace. Love y'all, and we'll see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Okay, bye. Mwah.